We would all love a magic lamp or a fairy godmother to make our dreams come true. But in their absence, it's up to us to make our dreams come true. This requires effort on our part, not just wishful thinking, but hard work and intention. So here are today's hot tips for building resiliency and celebrating Make Your Dreams Come True Day. Create your dream list, write it down, put it into pictures, make a dream board. This makes it real and more likely to come true than if your dreams stay locked up inside of your head. Decide what steps or actions you need to take to make these dreams come true. Watch out for negative self-talk and fears that can sabotage you before you even start. Bronnie Ware is an Australian nurse who spent several years working in palliative care recording her patients' epiphanies. Here were the top 5 wishes of those patients. The wish that they had more courage to live a life true to themselves, not the life others expected of them. The wish that they had not worked so hard. The wish that they had had the courage to express their feelings. The wish that they had stayed in touch with their friends. The wish that they had let themselves be happier. So what are you going to do today to move closer to making your dreams a reality? Looking for more tips to build your resiliency? Look for my book on Amazon called Stress Out, 52 Weeks to Letting More Life In.